Holy shit, I seen that guy too. At the club.
The Iceberg Lounge.
44 below.
What is that?
The club within the club. The real club. It's a mob hangout.
Is that where you work? Selena.
No, I just work the bar upstairs. But I see him come in.
Who?
A lot of guys that shouldn't be there, I can tell you that. Your basic upstanding citizen types.
You're gonna help me on this. For your friend. You got a lot of cats.
I have a thing about strays.
You're not safe here.
I can take care of myself.
Public figures now dead in just the last 2 nights, and only days before the election, police and city officials are left searching for a killer and hoping to find him before he kills again.